So far we've talked about XML, but there's another very well-common way to save classes to text, which is called Json. Json is well-known and well-used specifically in web environments. If you want to search for it, JSON W3C, it will probably give you some kind of good explanation about what it is or how it should be, and this is how the data looks when you're looking at JSON. But how can we create a JSON based on our POCO file? Well, I'll show you how to use that, how to use a JSON serializer that is very well known. There are JSON serializers that comes with .NET, but the virtual standard in the industry is the one I'm going to use now. So to add it, I'm going to say references, or actually Northwind, add NuGet package or manage NuGet packages. This is where I can find all sorts of third-party source code that I can use and enjoy. In our case, I'm looking for Newton soft JSON. This is the virtual standard of serializing classes into JSON. So I'm going to choose it and ask it to install. And this NuGet package is in charge of installing it and adding the references that is required and downloading it. It's a very interesting topic. You can read about it over the web. But now I have a reference to Newton JSON. Great, so let's go ahead and use it. I've created a demo JSON class to use. And as a preparation, I also changed a bit our previous demo for XML and made the update order public and static, and made also the get order public and static, so I can access it from our class. So I'm going to say demo JSON var o goes to demo get order POCO 10249. Great. So when I do that, I will get our order. Perfect. I can see our order defined with all the information of it. Great. Now I'll add a using Newton soft, I think JSON. Perfect. And I will define a string and say JSON convert dot serialized object O. Let's see what it does for us. Perfect. So now I have a string, and if you look at the string, you can see that it is a well-formatted JSON file, and I can go even and use Microsoft's visualizer to show it as JSON, which will get a nice little tree to look at. And that's it. This is how you save JSON. And I can go ahead and save it to a file by saying file, save all text or write all text to c temp order.json and write the string down. Let's run this. Perfect. Now I have a JSON file with the data. You can see here the very nice looking JSON that contains the data that I wanted.